Welcome to Class 1 Mathemagic NCERT Mathematics Chapter 2 Numbers from 1 to 9 Part 3. And children, in this part we will see from page numbers 35 to 47. So let's start. In part 2 we have seen numbers from 1 to 5. So today we'll continue from that and we'll learn from number 6. Page number 35. 6. S-I-X 6. So repeat along with me children. 6. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. And let's see how to write the number 6. So this is the way you will write number 6. Okay, let's see once again how you will write. Like this, you will start, you'll go like this and you will make a circle. Okay children, on dotted lines you have to write, okay, with your pencil. Like this you will start and on this dotted lines you will complete. Okay, once again like this you will start and you will make a circle. A curve like this and then make a circle. Curve like this and make a circle. Like C you will write now, like that. Curve like this and then make a circle. So count how many people are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many watermelons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the number we learnt is 6. Say the number name once again. S-I-X 6. And then you will complete these boxes which have been given. While writing you will write the number and say the number name also. 6. S-I-X 6. So like this you will complete all the boxes. Okay children, understood? Now next, page number 36, 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. So let's see how to write 7. A sleeping line, then a slanting line. Count the number of butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all objects, what is the quantity? 7. And how to write 7? First we will write a sleeping line and then a slanting line. Then again a sleeping line, then slanting line. Okay children, understood all right? A sleeping line, then slanting line, sleeping line, then slanting line. Like this you will complete all these boxes like this. Along with that you will say the number name S-E-V-E-N 7. Next, page number 37. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Let's see how to write 8. Like this you will write. Now count the bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many objects are there? 8 objects are there. And how will write 8? C. Like this you will put one C, then you will bring like this, then take it like this, then like this. Okay, understood children? Once again, like this, then you will make a circle like this. Okay, see once again I'll show you like this and like this. Okay, what is the number name for 8? E-I-G-H-T 8. Similarly, you will complete all the boxes like this and along with that you will say the number name E-I-G-H-T 8. Now, page number 38, 9. N-I-N-E 9. 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Let's see how to write 9. First a circle, then a standing line. Count the number of people sitting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 birds. Count the houses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, children. Now let's see how to write 9 once again. First, we'll make a circle like this and then a standing line. First, a circle like this and then a standing line. Okay, children. First, you will make a circle like this and then a standing line. Little bit I'll do the correction for that. Okay. First, a circle like this, then a standing line. First a circle like this, then a standing line. Okay, like this you'll complete all the boxes given below. And what's the number name? N-I-N-E, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Page number 39. Count and match. First we have to count and then we have to match with the number which is given on the right hand side. First count the bananas, children. How many bananas are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many bananas are there? 9 bananas. So where is 9? 9 is here. So we have matched here. Next, chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where is 7? Is this 7? No. Is this 7? No. Is this 7? Yes. So we'll match it here. Next, pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where is 8, children? Here is 8. Next, houses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So where is 6? This is 6. So we'll match it here. Okay. The next page. Page number 40. Make groups of 6 leaves. Already we did in second part. Similarly like that. So we have to make a box for how many leaves? 6 leaves. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all leaves we have to make it into a box. Next, 7 glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for 7 we will make a box. Okay, we will make a group of 7 glasses. Next, 8 potatoes. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like I said in previous video, any 8 you can do, children. From here also you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can match these 8 also. Okay, make a group of that also. 9 ants. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Understood? Now like this front also you can do, like this also you can do. Next, page number 41. Match the numbers with the pictures. Numbers you have to match with pictures, children. Okay, so for that first we will count the pictures. How many objects are there in each picture? So leaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many are there? 7. Because if you count, then it will be easy for you to match with the numbers. Otherwise it will be difficult for many of the things which are having many objects. Birds, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, ice cream, 2. Balls, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, camel, 1. Mugs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we have counted. Now what we have to do? Match the numbers with pictures. Like one has been done for you. 3. Where are 3 objects? In which circle 3 objects are there? Here 3 balls are there. So it is match. Now like that we have to do 1. Where is 1 object? Ma picture with only 1 object. Here camel. So from there we will match to camel. Next 2. It's nearby. See 2 ice cream. So we'll match. 3 has already been done for you. Next 4. See where? Here 4 birds. Next 5. 5. Some fruit or something is here. So 5. Next 6. Where is 6? 6 mugs. 7. Where is the picture with 7 items? Here. 7 leaves. 8. Where is an object having 8 items in that? See where? Here. 8 sticks. Next 9. It's here. Okay. Next. Page number 42. Color 6 birds. How many birds they are asking you to color, ma? 6 birds. So for this you can color any 6 birds, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any 6 you can color. For example, see, I have colored like this. So no, so you can color like this. Okay, children. Now next one. Color 9 mangoes. First count 9 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are only 9 mangoes. So then what we have to do? We have to color all the 9 mangoes. Next. Page number 42. Color 1 elephant. How many are there here? First see that 1, 2, 3 are there. How many you have to color? 1. So 1 elephant I will color it. Next, color 7 bricks. How many bricks you have to color? 7. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So like this I will color 7. So if I don't count this, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Any 7 you can do, children. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1 brick from here or 1 brick from here. Total 7 you have to color. Next, numbers from 1 to 9, page number 43. Name these things and write their numbers in the circles. You have to name it and then write their names in the circles. What is this, ma? Fishes. Yes or no? What is that? Fishes. F-I-S-H-E-S. Fishes. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in circle you will write 7. Next, how many books are here? What are these? Books. So first name it. Books. B-O-O-K-S. Books. And how many are there? 2. 1, 2, 2. Now here, what is this, children? Baskets. So we'll write B-A-S-K-E-T-S. Baskets. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. Next, what is this, children? Balloon. So write balloons. B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S. Balloons. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are there? 7. What are these? Candles. C-A-N-D-L-E-S. Candles. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, what are these, ma? Mice. What we call them? Plural. When there are many, then we call it as mice. M-I-C-E. Mice. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? 4. Now what is the next one? Bells. B-E-L-L-S. Bells. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, what is this? Paint brushes. P-A-I-N-T. Paint. B-R-U-S-H-E-S. Brushes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are there? 9. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Page number 44. Color the collection which has more objects. You have to see the left side and right side objects, and which have more you have to color it, children. So here left side how many are there? See here left side how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 bottles are there. Here 1, 2, 3 glasses are there. So which is more? Bottles are more. So that's why bottles have been colored. Similarly, you have to do for the next one. You have to compare the left one with the right one. How many balls are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many bats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So which are more? Balls are more. So you will color the balls. All balls you will color. Now next is flowers. How many flowers are there here? 2. Butterflies? 3. So 2 is more or 3 is more? 3. So what you will do? You will color all the 3 butterflies. Now next, pins. How many pins are here? 1, 2, 3. Now here objects are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So which is more? This is more. So you will color this. Now next, similarly, apples 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 apples are there. Mangoes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. So is 7 is more or 8 is more? 8. That's why we colored apples. Next, page number 45. Make the collection equal. Here what we have to do, ma? Here how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. So here also we have to put 4 objects. If 2 objects are here, on the right hand side also we'll put 2 objects. Like that we have to make it equal. So they have circled one more and colored it. Yes or no? Like this. Now you first count it. Which is having more, you count that. See, when we see which is having more, this is having more. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. How many are there? 5. But here only 2 are there. So we have to put one more, 3, 4 and 5. Now we made it equal and then we'll write the number. So when we see which is more, this is more. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll write 6 here. Then here how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will draw 5th one and 6th one. Now is it equal? Yes. So here also 6 are there. Now here see, by seeing which is more, see this is more or this is more? This is more. Count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here count how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll draw one more 6, one more 7. Now all are equal. Now next, page number 46, join in order. So here numbers are given like we did in our previous videos. We have to join like 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9. So this is a small boat which a boy has made. Now again fish we will join. 1 is here. So 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9. Understood children how to do this? Page number 47, write the missing numbers. Here a beautiful caterpillar is there. In that few numbers are there. In between numbers are missing. So we have to complete it. So 1, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, have we completed? Come on, repeat once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the next one. Before doing this, a small concept you have to learn, that is after, before and in between numbers children. So all these are numbers, yes or no? When if I ask after 2 what comes, means 2 के बाद क्या आता है? After 2. After 2 means बाद में. 2 के बाद. After 2 which number is coming children? 3. So that is called after number. And if I ask before 2 what comes, means पहले, 2 से पहले कौन सा number है? This is called before. That is 1. After means the next number which is going to come. Before means the number which came before. आगे जो number आया था, the number which is before. And in between 1 and 3 which number is there? In between 1 and 3 which number is there? 2. So this is called in between, बीच का. Okay children. So after means which comes after, जो बाद में आता है. Before means which has come earlier, earlier to, like that. So पहले कौन सा आया? And बीच में, that is in between numbers. Okay. And if you, some children can easily say after 2, 3, after 3, 4. But if you are confusing, if you are not getting right numbers like this, 1 to 9 you write like this, then it will be easy for you. Okay. So let's start. What number comes before and after 5? So now they are asking before 5 what number comes and after 5. So say count 1, 2, 3, 4. So before 5 what is the number coming? 4. If you don't know, see this number line. So before 5, 5 is here. Before 5 which number is there? 4. So this is 4. And after 5, 4, 5, 6. See here, after 5, 6. Next, what comes before 6? 6, where is 6? 6 is here. So before 6, which number is coming? 5. So we'll write here 5. What comes after 1? After 1, what is coming? 2. And after 2, 3. Next, what comes before and after 4? So before 4, before 4, what is the number? 3. So we'll write here 3. Next, after 4, 5. So we'll write here 5. Next, what are the next numbers? 2. After 2, 3. After 3, 4. Similarly, 3. After 3, 4. After 4, 5. Okay, children, understood? By this, we have completed the part 3 of our video. One more part is there. In part 4, the last part, we will meet for this chapter, numbers from 1 to 9. I hope you understood this. And if you have any problem with before and after numbers, a video link is given in the description. Please go through that. Okay, I hope you understood all this. Have a nice day. Till then, thank you.